Okay, welcome back to Teaching, Learning, Tutorials and Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the drawing tools in Adobe Illustrator. So the first one we're going to look at is the pen tool. So here we have the pen tool. Shortcut is P. If you just hover over the tool, it'll show you the shortcut, which is P. So let me just get started. Click, click, click. As you can see, it will guide you so the lines are straight. Click. There you go. That's my square here. Let's do another shape. Click, 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 click. Another one. Click. And it doesn't have to be perfect shapes. It can be anything like this. And then you can move it around. Yeah, you can add a gradient if you want. Get rid of this. Yeah. And if you want to add an anchor point, for example, add anchor point. You can add one here. 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 You can add extra ones. And then what you can do is, with this anchor point, you can just move it around. If you want to add anchor points here, you can move it around. Yeah. If you click here with the direct selection tool, you can just pull it out. Drag it back in, pull it out, or leave it as it was. And if you want to delete an anchor point, simply go there and it'll go back to how it was. And that's how you use the pen tool. Oh, before I forget, let's do some curves, because straight lines are very easy. Here's my Command Z, one here, one here. Hold down Option Alt. There you go, that's my pen tool. Okay, so now we're going to be using the curvature tool, and it's Shift plus. That's the shortcut. So if I click on here and here and here, it curves. If I do another straight line, but it turns into curves. If I was to do a triangle, click, 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 it turns into a curvature triangle. So try it out. Have a play around with it. They make good pebbles, I suppose. Hold on, Option Alt. Or dinosaur eggs, I suppose. Change the color. Add some spots to make it look like dinosaur eggs. But that's how you use the Curvature Pen Tool. Okay, so now we're going to be using the Shaper tool. So I click on here. If you hover, you'll get the shortcut there. Shift N. Okay, so if I do a circle, We'll do a circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. If I do another circle here, and then one at the top, then I just squiggle at the top, it'll just remove it. Another one, squiggle, remove it. Another one, squiggle, remove it. Another one, squiggle, remove it. If I do, for example, a rectangle and another rectangle, I do a squiggle, remove it, and another rectangle, squiggle, and that's removed it. And that's how you use the Shaper tool. It's very fun and very easy to use. Okay, so now we're going to be using the pencil tool here. Pencil tool, shortcut N. Okay, so one click here. So let's draw a tree or something. Yeah, there's no fill here, just a stroke. So we can have a green tree. We can have another circle. As you can see, there's no fills here. So you can draw whatever you want, but if you're using a stylus or a Wacom or a bamboo tablet, this would work better rather than just using a mouse. And it's pretty freehand. Yeah. Okay, you can join these up. It can be like this, and that's how you use the pencil tool. It's really fun and really easy and very intuitive. Okay, make sure you have fun with that. The final tool we're going to be looking at is the eraser tool. So how do we draw with the eraser tool? So we've got the eraser tool here. So first of all, let's click onto something. Click onto here, eraser tool. Shortcut is Shift plus E. And next to the Enter key, you have the square brackets. So if you click onto the right bracket key, it'll increase in size, and the left bracket key will decrease in size, just like a brush. But instead, this is a eraser tool. One click here. Let's decrease the size. We can go outwards, and then we want tiny ones here. And if I click and drag it over, you can see that it's hollow inside. So again, with the eraser tool, but you need to select it first. A spotty tree with white fruit. I'm not sure what kind of fruit that is, but there you go. Same thing. Yeah. And how about these eggs? Okay, and just for the fun of it, let's go through this one. Yeah, there you go. And that's how you use the eraser tool as a drawing tool. Have fun with this.